Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to get Google search bar on home screen. As you can see guys, on my home screen I have that Google search bar right here, and if I type on it, it will bring me right on the main point of the Google section. Now how do I get it here on the home screen? It is so simple process. The first thing what you need to do, you need simply to press and hold 3 times, and but this needs to be on a blank screen of your mobile. And when you get up into that section, it will bring you. Now it doesn't shows up because now I have just gotten here. I have just the option to remove it. But also the main thing what you need to do, you need to go to your Play Store, and then here you need to type for Google, and you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Google, or you have the getting searched of that site. As you can see here, I do not have the latest version of Google. This is because I get up right now. But also, if you don't have the latest version of Google and you have the search bar, this means that you have it because you get it the last time with an opening section on it, and this is why I'm gonna go and update it. And if you have the chance, go and do it again. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.